Hey, this is Lon from Android Authority. I'm here at CES 2018 taking a look at the JBL Link View. This is one of the latest products in JBL's Link series lineup. So it's running Google Assistant, but what sets this apart is that it has a screen similar to the smart display that we checked out earlier from Lenovo. Since it has Google Assistant, this means you can do all the Google Assistant things that you would expect, but because this has a screen, you'll also get the information shown to you visually when you ask for the weather, cooking recipes, driving directions, etc. There's also integration with other Google apps like Google Play Music, YouTube, and you'll find a 5-megapixel camera on the front if you want to make video calls over Google Duo. The screen is 8 inches in size with a resolution of 720p, and it's flanked by two 10-watt front-facing stereo speakers, which is awesome for music or YouTube, and it has built-in Chromecast if you want to link this across multiple speakers. The design basically looks like a football or pill cut in half, but I kind of dig it, and I think the black color will blend in pretty nicely in most people's homes. There's no word on pricing just yet, but you can expect it to go on sale this summer. For more on the JBL Link View, check out the website at androidauthority.com and keep it tuned here to the Android Authority YouTube channel for more CES 2018 coverage.